Hello students, welcome to your maths class. Students, in last two classes we learn about factors and multiples and their characters also, and we learn how to find out the factors of a number, and we have learned how to find out the multiples of a number. So today we'll solve the exercise number 3.1 based on factors and multiples of a number. Okay, so first question, write all the factors of the following numbers. Here we should write factors of a number. I already taught you how to find out the factors of a number. Still, again I will explain here how to solve them. See here students, whenever you are finding the factors of a given number, just you have to check given number is present in which tables. So 24 is there, 24 is present in 1, okay, because we have one character of factor, okay. 1 is factor for every number, okay. So 24 come in two tables students. 2 12s are 24. If you know better tables, okay, it would be better to find out the factors. Okay, 2 12s are 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. In the third table 24 is present. In 4 6s are 24. 4 6s are 24. Okay, and 5, in 5 table 25 is there, but 24 is not there, so 5 is not a factor for 24. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, right. So 6 is also a factor for 24. 7 table not there. In 8 table it is present. 8 3s are 24, right. In 9 table it is not there. In 10 not there. 11 not there. In 12 table it is present because 12 2s are 24, and last one 24 1s are 24. So I hope you understood, okay, how to find out this one, right. So in which tables? So in 24, the number 24 is present in this all the tables. It is present in one table also, it is present in two tables also, it is present in third table, it is present in fourth table, it is present in sixth table, 24 present in 8, 12 and 24 tables. So it is finite number of factors. It has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 factors are there for 24, like that only. So now we'll write factors for 15. So 15 is present in one table, 115s are. 15 is not present in two tables, right. 14 is present in two table, but 15 is not there. But in three table it is there. 3 5s are 15, right. No, so 4 table it is not there. 16 is there, but 15 is not there in 4 table. In fifth table it is there. 5 3s are 15, like that. If you go on searching, okay, again it is present in 15 table directly, because after 5 we will not find out any table which consists of 15, which contain 15, because you can check that one. In 7 table it is there, 14 is there, not 15 is there, right. No? So 15 has the factors only for 1 3 5 and 15, okay, like that only. We'll go for 21 now. 21 is present in one table. 21 is not present in two table, but 21 is present in third table. 3 7s are 21. 4 table it is not present. 5 table also it is not present. 6 no. 7 table it is present. 7 3s are 21, right. So if we go on searching like this, we will find out the again 21 in 21 table only, because see here these are odd numbers, that's why I am getting the less number of factors. If it is even number, I will get more number of factors, okay. Because of these odd numbers I am getting less number of factors here. Okay, like that only. If you search for 27, in one table it is present, two table it is not present, in three table it is present. 3 nines are 27, right? 4 table no, 5 no, 6 again no, 7 no, 8 no, 9 threes are 27, right? No, 9 threes 27. So again after that all it will come for 27 table, because this is also odd number, that's why I am getting only 4 factors here. If you find for 12, okay, now we'll find the factors for 12. 12 is present in one table, 12 is present in second table, so 2 6 are, 12 is present in third table, 3 4s are, and 12 is present in fourth table, 4 3s are, 12 is present in sixth table, 6 2s are, 12 is present in 12th table. Understood? Okay, like this you have to find out the factors. Remaining all are homework for you. Only 4 I have given. These are homework for you. Try yourself to find out the factors for these numbers. Then you will understand you people are understood or not. You got that method to find out the factor or not. Okay, this is for your practice. Please practice yourself. Okay, if you not understood, take your brother or parent self, they also not understood, please contact me. Okay, so next one, second question, we'll move for second question now. What is that? Write the first five multiples of what given number. Multiples of this, we have to write the multiples for these given numbers, but only first five they are asking. They are not asking infinite of multiples, they are asking only first five. So how to find out the first five multiples? Simple, I will give different method also. First you multiply the 5 with 1, you will get 5. 5 is a multiple of 5, and again you multiply 5 by 2, you will get 10. 10 is also multiple of 2, and you go for 5 3 15. 15 is also multiple of 5, and again you go for 4 20. 20 is also multiple of 5, again you go for 5 is a 25. So they have asked only 5 multiples, so we have find out. See, yesterday also I told that how to find out it. 5 ones are 5, 5 table only we have to write here. So instead of writing tables, I wrote like this. Okay, multiplied 1 2 3 like that, continuous numbers. Okay, so see here, 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. You can use this method also to find out the multiples of a number. Okay, same only. Okay, writing the tables and writing this like this, it's like also same. So we go for B1 now. B1, what is 8? So directly we'll count for 8 table. 8 ones are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40. They have only 5 multiples, that's why we are writing only 5 multiples of a number. So one I will left for you, one I will leave for you people homework. Okay, please do this one in home. Okay, how much you will practice, that much you will get perfect in the sums. Okay, maths is nothing but if you, and only we have to understand the method and we have to understand concept here, and how much possible we have to practice it, because that method and concept will not remember like other subjects in mathematics. That's why we have to practice more number of examples, then only we can remember that concepts for longer way, because these are basic concepts for all the mathematics. For your in future, this only based on these concepts only you will learn the chapters. Okay, so I hope you people are understood. Third one you people saw. Simply write 9th table till. Students will go for question number 3 now, that is match in the following. They have given here, you have to match column 1 and column B. In column 1 they have given some numbers, and in column 2 related to that numbers, some of them multiples and factors they have given here. So using that one we have to find out here. So 35, so here 35 is a multiple of 7, right? Because in 7 table 35 will come. 7 5s are 35. So 35 is a multiple of 7, right? And 15 check here, multiple of 8, no. Multiple of 75, no. Yes, it can be multiple of 75, no. Factor of 30, yes, factor of 30 it is, because in 15 table 30 will come. So 15 will become a factor of 30 here. So we'll go for next one. 16 is related, I think here 80 or 8, because 16 5 is 80, but it will become multiple. So if you take reverse here, multiple of 8 is a 16, right? Multiple of 8 is a 16, because in 8 table 16 will come, right? Whenever multiple means you have to count table, that number table you have to check. Okay, factor means you have to check in which table it will come. So we'll go for next one. 20, I think it is a factor of 80, because 80 will come in 20th table, right? 24 is 80, so it's a factor of 80. 25 remaining only one, that is C, that is multiple of 75, because sorry, they have given wrong here, right? 75 will be 25 will not become multiple of 75 here, right? So we'll change here, multiple of 75 they have given, we'll change that one. 25 is a multiple of, you take it as a 5 only. I have changed that question here, right? They have only given wrong here. 25 is a multiple of 5, because 5 5 is a 25. You can make like that, right? So this is question number 3rd, right? You have to write down. We'll go for now question number 4. What is that? We'll see here. Question number 4, and the last question of this exercise also. Find all the multiples of 9 up to 100. That means what we have to find out here? Multiple of 9s, okay, till 100. Okay, more than 100, if number came in 9 table, we have to leave that one. Okay, so we'll go now. We'll write multiple of 9 now. So what I told, 9 table we have to count for to find out multiple. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, right? 9 6 are 54, right? 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, right? Still it is only 81. Till 100 we have to do. 9 9s are 81, 9 11s are 9 10s are 90, right? 9 10s are 90, 9 11s are 99, 9 12s are 108 will become, 9 12s are 108 it will become, right? 9 into 12 it will come 108, but they told only up to 100, so we will not write here this one. Till 99 is enough for this number, because up to 99 they have told here. That's why we are writing only till 99. Okay, if we go for next number, it is coming more than 100, we'll leave that one. So I hope you people are understood factors and multiples. Okay, these are very important for your basic knowledge for mathematics. Please concentrate here and study well and practice more and more to get knowledge about factors and multiples, and learn characteristics of also multiples of also. They will help you to find out the factors and multiples very fastly. Okay, thank you students, take care, bye bye.